Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa from Lisa Macrame, and today I'm going to show you how to make a macrame evil eye wall hanging. So for the materials, I'm using this twisted macrame mustard yellow color and a ring here, and it is a 20cm ring, and a evil eye charm, and a pair of scissors and a measuring tape. So let's get started with this tutorial. Now for this ring here, I'm going to cut some of the thread from this roll, and I already cut some. So here is the size that we'll be needing, and the size is 30 centimeter. Now we're going to attach this thread here in this ring like this, and we're going to attach this cords here all the way around. So let's attach all the way around. So here you can see after joining the cords in this ring, so we have total 66 cutouts. Well, if your cord is 3 mm, then you can use a little bit less than here, and if your cord is smaller, like this is the 2 mm size I'm using, so it will take 66 total cords around this ring. So I want to show you that this is the back side and this is the front side. So here in the front side you can see we have this little knots, but not in the back side. So this is the right side, and from this side we're going to making the pattern. So let's get started. So we are going to take the first 2 cords here and make a square knot. If you don't know how to make a square knot in macrame, you can watch my previous tutorial. I already uploaded in my channel how to make a square knot. So in this tutorial we need the square knot and the half hitch knot. So we're going to take the other 2 and let's make the square knot again. Now after making this 2 square knot, let's take the middle 2 from the side part and let's make a square knot here in the middle. And here you can see our one pattern is complete. Now let's take this one here and let's make the half hitch knot. Now let's take from this one and make the half hitch knot again. Make sure you tie the cords. So this is the pattern we are making in this tutorial. It is very easy and very simple for the beginners. Now let's take the 2 yarns and let's make the last half hitch knot here. So our first pattern is complete. Now we're going to make the rest of the ring with this part all the way around. Now let's make the other one as well. So we have this thread here to make from this 2, the square knot. And then we take 2, let's make a square knot again. So as you can remember, we left this cord. Now we're going to make the pattern here by taking this cord here. Now let's make the half hitch knot again. So here you can see, now we're going to take this cord here and going to make the double half hitch knot in this left side. So this is the pattern we are going to make all the way around in this ring. Hope you all guys understand it. So let's make all the way around and I'll meet you when it's complete. So after making all the patterns all the way around and here, so I already attached a cord here for the hanging. It just a simple knot here. You can see you can attach it anywhere you like. So after making all the way around the patterns, now I'm going to cut the extra yarn in the shape of a round. So here you can see we have this little cords, but they are long, so let's cut the yarns all the way around. Now here you can see I'm using this twisted macrame yarn. Now let's unfold the twist here like this. So now let's unfold all the way around. So here you can see after unfolding all the threads here, now let's comb the threads. With this comb here, it's a macrame brush. You can find it online, you can purchase it from Amazon. I'll attach the link in the bio of this product here. So now let's comb the yarn. So here you can see after coming all the way around, and now let's cut the extra cords in a round shape. Let's cut it the threads all the way around. So here you can see after cutting the round shape all the way around, it's not a fully round, you can see it's looking like this. So it's a boho macrame, so I'm not doing the pure circle cutting. Here you can see now. Moving to the finishing part, we have this evil eye charm. This is the back side, so it is kind of heavy. I'll attach the link in the description so that you can purchase it. So let's attach this evil eye here in the middle. So here I attached a macrame cord, here you can see, and now let's attach the evil eye here by tie 2 knots. So for this knot I'm going to hanging here. I'm going to attach it like this here. Now let's tie 2 knots properly. Here you can see, and let's tie another one here. So here you can see after tie 2 knots, I cut the extra yarn and then comb this extra yarn like this. And now let's attach this for the hanging. So for this thread, I'm doing a knot like this. You can easily tie a knot in the end and put the thread like this, and you have this type of pattern here. And then let's tie a knot like this, and then it's complete. Here you can see our macrame evil eye while hanging is fully complete. And do comb the threads whenever you hang it in your wall, so it looks more elegant. Evil eye round while hanging is fully complete, and hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment and share. If you make this macrame while hanging, do tag me on Instagram, and keep creating. Bye bye.